Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find archived projects in Basecamp. All right. But before that, I would like to explain some things. All right. Make sure that you have the paid version of Basecamp, because if you're using the free version, you won't be able to recover your deleted projects, as you may have thought that if you delete it, it will be archived. Okay. That is incorrect. You'll have to have a paid account for you to recover a specific project. For example, let's go ahead and open up a project right here and click on the three dots at the top right. As you can see, I have a free account. So archived is not available. It's only delete. Okay. If you have the paid version, you will have archived/delete this project in here. Now, if you have selected archived, now all you have to do is just go ahead over to home. Okay. Now in here, you should be able to see view all in a list under make a new project. So just click on it. And then once done, select the specific project that you wanted to recover, and then just click on restore it. That is it. That's how easy it is to find your archived projects in Basecamp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.